Hey there,
Suck it in.
and then, sorry. Exercise. Hammer. Hey guys, Carla here. Meet the portable power pulley of HoliQuip. It is very versatile and travel friendly. It has 3 resistance levels, so it's good for high repetitions and slow and steady movements, and you can get a full body burn with these babies. So I'm gonna put it on a table and set it up, and then we can do exercises with it together later. You just wanna make sure that the air escapes when you press it. Then let's do the same thing on the other side. I think we're ready. Let's go. So here's a portable power pulley workout that works the upper body, and we put it in the mid-surface level. Enjoy! First exercise, bicep curl pulses. Second exercise, reverse flies. Third exercise, tricep extension. Fourth exercise, hammer curls. Fifth exercise is your straight arm pulses.